A hash table contains 10 buckets, uses linear probing to resolve collisions. Hash function used is key mod 10. Now these values are inserted in the table and we need to find in what location would the key 142 be inserted. So this is the hash table with 10 buckets indexed 0 to 9, and this is the table contains mapping of key and hash value. Hash function is key mod 10, that means the remainder when the number is divided by 10. So 165 when divided by 10 leaves 5 as remainder, so 5 is the hash value. We'll now insert these keys in the hash table. So we'll start with the first number 43. Hash value is 3, so we go to index 3, and since this location is empty, we insert the value 43 here. Next is 165. Hash value is 5. This location is empty, so we insert 165. Next is 62 with hash value 2, so we insert 62 at this location. Next key is 123 with hash value 3, so we start at index 3. Now we have got a collision here as 43 is present at this location. We are trying to insert 123. So as given in the question, linear probing will be used to resolve the collision. In this, we start at the position given by the hash function, which is 3, and search the table sequentially until we find an empty cell. So searching goes like this. From 9, we again move to index 0 and continue the process. So in this case, we start at index 3 and then move to index 4. Since this is an empty slot, we insert 123 at this location. Next element is 142 with hash value 2. Again, there is a collision with 62, so we search the table sequentially until we find an empty slot, that is at index 6, so we insert 142 at this index. So 142 is inserted at location 6, so answer is option D.